Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me Barsha. How are you all doing? So आज है Sunday और I'm going to vlog my entire day. Actually सुबह से I was very busy इसलिए I look messed up. And हाँ तो first of all तो I'm going to clean my room. It's been a while since I didn't upload videos because again I was very busy. I'm so sorry. So yeah, आज हम लोग मैं घर की सफाई करूँगी, मेरे रूम को थोड़ा मेंटेन करूँगी एंड देन आई हैव सम कॉलेज वर्क टू डू. उसके बाद आई थिंक आई विल गो आउट. सो या कीप वाचिंग. ऑल्सो कल मैंने वो बड़ा वाला मिरर लाया जो यहाँ पर है फ्रॉम फैंसी बाज़ार फाइनली. सो माई रूम का चीज़ें तो सारा आ गया लेकिन फ्यू थिंग्स आर स्टिल लेफ्ट लाने के लिए. तो या आई थिंक दैट्स इट. एनीवेज राइट नाउ आई विल शो यू माई रूम. Very messed up, but I'll just show you. And my roommate, I mean she's already doing the project. I'm also gonna join her. So yeah. Make kurkure chaat now. So yeah, I'll show you how I make it. Aloo or anda I boiled already. I have to chop it down. Now अभी आलू चॉप चॉप करने हैं. अंडा ऑलरेडी पील ऑफ कर दिया. मैडम जी का क्या बोलते हैं प्रोजेक्ट खत्म हो गया इसलिए हेल्प करने आए हैं. देखो वाओ from and here I am frying some sausages for lunch. So yeah. तैयार हो गया चाट. Cleaning my room, my friend called me up and I'm like, you know, you have got a job, so give us treat. और उसने treat दिया ice cream. Thank you Utpal. तो आधा साफ हो गया और थोड़ा करना है. Keep watching, I'll show you. Guys, अभी room साफ हो गया. I cleaned everything, the room, the hall and everything. Now I have to take a bath. लेकिन मेरा शैम्पू ख़त्म हो गया इसलिए मैं जा रही हूँ to departmental store to get shampoo and some eatables. So yeah, बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है और शाम भी हो गया अभी तक. I started at 10 and now it's 1. I mean no, now it's 4:30. Oh my god. बेबी इतना शर्म लगता है to vlog in public. I don't know why. और सब घूर घूर के देखते हैं. अभी I was vlogging and they were watching me. I feel so shy. So anyway, देखो it's already sunset हो रहा है. Oh my god, so pretty sunset. Look at this sky.
Our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love?
Guys, मैंने अभी सामान ले लिया. अभी मैं जाके नहाऊंगी and then I'll see you guys. ठीक है? अभी के लिए bye.
Breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down.
इतना हेयर फॉल हो रहा है. मैं तो I think I'm gonna get गंजा very soon. Very scared. Is it normal or पता नहीं. I think गुवाहाटी का पानी बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं.
Cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my words.
I like this color, it's cute. And this is where my Vans and we'll head to city center now and you can watch it. See you there.
How do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is
Look at her hands, so small. Oh my gosh.
coming down, and you're not
सोना सिटी सेंटर पे
around.
बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड होता है, इसलिए देखो गाड़ी भी इतना ज़्यादा है. Oh my god. But the lighting looks good, yeah. Cute like it, you know? So cute. Mayu is in the trial room and I'm waiting for her. I feel super exhausted and tired because of all the shifting and moving stuff. Yeah. Oh my god, look at us. We are being stopped. So her sister is somewhere here. She saw us and she sent us this picture. Damn. Damn, I'm so hungry now. My friend Mayu, she met her old friends and she's chit-chatting over there. And I'm just waiting here like a random person. So yeah, I'm also gonna go to Miniso and look for if I get something nice for my room. So yeah. दिन से सोच रही थी कि मैं nail extension करूँ लेकिन किया नहीं है. My hands are still so ugly. तो अभी I saw a nail and lashes वाला store out there. So I'm just gonna go and ask how much is it, and if it's worthy then maybe I'll think of doing it. So yeah. Guys, I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna have one muffin now, chocolate chip muffin. It's waiting. We just tasted this. This is, oh my god, so cute. Can't reach. That's why you should be tall, Bujisa. Jehol. एकदम आर्मन में super excited to try this. I hope it's nice. Burgur King. Video. It's a burger from. The brown princess. See your couple to love kena gela lagi tu kan. अभी हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं क्योंकि हो गया डिनर विनर सब कुछ. Not dinner, snacks and all. So now we are going home and I'll see you there. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so it's the next day actually, and I just reached back home from college, and I thought I'll just end the video here. So that was it of my Sunday. Yesterday I got quite busy after I came back home. Actually not busy, I was too tired to even vlog, that's why I just slept off. And then I thought today in the morning I'll do the ending, but usme bhi I got busy, so I'm ending the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was a simple sweet Sunday of me, like usual Sundays ऐसे ही होते हैं, nothing special, but I thought I'll just vlog. So anyways, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and yeah, that's it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, take care, love you.